Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Men's and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad, currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start up the session guys, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Unacademy Plus subscription, for these are the best plans for 2021 aspirants. For 12 months, it will cost you for 12 months it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get huge discount. Okay, and then for 6 months it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount guys. And then per month 2250, that's a throwaway price in Karnataka. With this referral code again you get 10% discount. With this subscription guys, what do you get? You get all the premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, that is for 11th and 12th as well, first PU and second PUC, test series for DPP, that is daily practice paper, full length mock, etc. with analysis, that is immediate feedback. You will come to know where you stand. You get all this single subscription for unlimited access. Before I wind up the session, I will remind you once again. Alright, and below this, if you are new here guys, welcome to this YouTube live session. Alright, and please subscribe and enable the bell icon guys to get the notifications of all my classes, all my YouTube sessions as well. Right, and below the description box there is a link there. You can follow that link to attend my Unacademy special classes and that is free classes, special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Okay guys, so this is a session part 3 of PYQs of applications of derivative. I have done some 19 questions I guess in the first two sessions. Yeah, we finished this. Yeah, I'm supposed to start with question number 19 guys. The intervals in which the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10 is increasing in. Okay, now if I find out f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square, differentiation of 6x square is 12x, differentiation of 9x is 9. This is f dash of x. I further write f dash of x is equal to, okay, I'm going to take 3 common. You will get x square minus 4x plus 3. If I split the middle term, this is minus 4 now. I'm going to write this as minus 1 minus 3. F dash of x is equal to 3 into a bracket. You will get x minus 1 into x minus 3. This is f dash of x. Alright, this will be f dash of x. Once I equate this to 0, f dash of x is equal to 0. You will get this is 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right, 3 is a constant exclude. You get the roots as x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So here the roots are minus infinity to plus infinity. Fix the roots in increasing order. You have similar questions in NCERT textbook as well. Roots in increasing order is 1 and 3. Right, start from right, plus, minus and plus. F dash of x is positive, start from right, plus, minus and plus. There's one question in textbook NCERT where f dash of x is negative. You get minus into x minus a, x minus b. Then you should write minus, plus and minus. Alright, now I'm supposed to find the functions where the function is increasing. Right, so f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0. Alright, take the plus part. Increasing more than 0 will be plus part, less than 0 will be minus part. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 1. Okay, x belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union with 3 comma infinity. 3 to infinity, answer is option B. Yes, Raju, right. Answer is option B only. Minus infinity and 1 union with 3 to infinity. Yes, guys, let's move to the next session. Next question. Question number 20. The side of a cube is decreased at a rate of 0.04 centimeter per second. So rate of change of x with respect to time will be equal to minus 0.04, right? Point 0.04 centimeter per second, right? This is dx per dt. Now the rate at which the volume is increasing, I'm supposed to find out dv by dt. Rate at which the volume is increasing when the side is equal to 10 centimeter, when x is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, volume of a cube is equal to side cube, that is equal to x cube. Now if we differentiate dv by dt is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square into dx per dt. Now dv by dt when x is equal to 10, so this will be equal to 3 into 10 square, and dx per dt is equal to minus 0.04. So this can be written as minus 3 times, this will be 100, 0.04 will be equal to 4 by 100. Okay, I'm going to cancel this, guys. You will get this as minus 12, okay, centimeter per second. So it is decreasing at the rate of 12 centimeter volume, right, centimeter cube. So it is decreasing at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. That's the first option. Alright, now let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 21. A ladder 20 feet long is leaning against whose top is resting against a vertical wall on a level plane, beginning to slide outward. At the moment when the foot of the ladder is 12 feet from the wall, it is sliding at the rate of 2 feet per second. How fast the top sliding downwards at the instant? That is, let's understand the question like this. Alright, there's a similar question in NCERT as well. Alright, this is a standard question. Board exam people get for 5 marks. This is x axis, this will be y axis, and this will be 0. Let's say this is the ladder. This is A, this is B. A ladder 20 feet long. So this is equal to 20 feet long, is resting against a vertical wall. Now let me take this as x, let me take this as y. This is ladder. This is the ladder. I'm going to take OA equal to x, okay, and OB is equal to y. Right, at the moment when the foot of the ladder is, Amok, good morning. At the moment when the foot of the ladder is 12 feet from the wall, that is when x is equal to 12 feet. When x is equal to 12 feet from the wall, it is sliding at the rate of 2 feet per second. So rate of change of x with respect to time will be equal to, it is sliding at the rate of 2 feet per second. So this is 2 feet per second. dx per dt is 2 feet per second. Okay, how fast the top sliding downwards? I am supposed to find out what is dy by dt. dy by dt when the foot of the ladder is 12 meter away from the wall. That's already mentioned in the question. dy by dt when x is equal to 12. If I use Pythagoras theorem here, I am going to get x square plus y square is equal to 20 square. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to 20 square, that is 400. Okay, let's call equation 1. I'll use this equation once again. X square plus y square is equal to 20 square, that is same as 400, right? X is equal to 12, right? When the foot of the ladder is 12 meter away from the fall, when x is equal to 12, so 12 square is 144 plus y square is equal to 400. You get y square is equal to 256. 256, y is equal to 16. 16 square is 256. Let me write this. y is equal to 256, y square is 256, y is equal to 16. Now if I differentiate with respect to t, okay, differentiate with respect to t, differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Differentiation of y square will be equal to 2y into dy by dt. Okay, and then 20 square is a constant, it is 0. You can explain previous question. Yeah, Amok, just watch the recording once, Amok. 2y into dy, just because half an hour I have just 10 to 15 minutes only. Just watch the recording once, no problem. Dy by dt is equal to, okay, minus 2x into dx by dt. 2 and 2 cancels. Okay, now from this I can write dy by dt is equal to minus x by y into dx by dt. Alright, now dy by dt when x is equal to 12. Here we found out that when x is equal to 12, you get y is equal to 16. So if I substitute here, you get this as minus 12 upon 16. Okay, into dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2 feet. Okay, so this will cancel 8 times. 12 upon 8 is minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is feet per second. So this will decrease at the rate of 3 by 2 feet per second. So 3 by 2 feet per second, answer is option A. Isn't it, guys? It's decreasing at the rate of 3 by 2 feet per second only. Answer will be option A. There is a similar question in NCERT as well. Just go through that problem. It's an important question for boards. So this is, let me just write this once again here. X square plus y square is equal to 20 square. Okay, when x is equal to 12, 12 square is 144. You get 144 plus y square is equal to 400. From this I can write y square is equal to 256. Okay, y is equal to 16. So x is 12, y is 16. From here we'll find out. Isn't it, guys? X is 12, y is equal to 16. Now you substitute and find out. Alright, now let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 22. Okay, what's the minimum value of this function? See, there are different ways to solve this. Okay, there's more than one method to solve this question. See, I have actually f of x is equal to x square, okay, minus 8x plus 17. Okay, let me do the problem like this. Okay, I'm going to write this as f of x is equal to x square minus 8x, okay, plus 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 will be equal to 17 only. I get f of x is equal to, first three terms will be a perfect square. It will be x minus 4 the whole square. Okay, and then plus 1. Isn't it, guys? What's the minimum value of the square? Guys, what's the minimum value of a square of a function? X minus 4 the whole square. What's the minimum value? Minimum value of square of a function is 0 only, na? Yes. Minimum value of x square, minimum value of square of a function is 0 only. Right, now this f minimum is equal to f minimum will be equal to 0 plus 1. Answer will be equal to 1 only. So minimum value is equal to 1. 2, yeah. You two steps you get the answer, guys. Or if I want to use maxima minima, okay, or if I use that maxima minima calculus method, f of x is equal to, you still get the same answer. F of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 17. F dash of x is equal to, yeah, f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 8x is 8. After finding the first derivative, maxima, minima, first derivative should be 0. F dash of x will be equal to 0. That is, you will get 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. F double dash of x. F double dash of x is equal to 2. This is more than 0. So f is minimum. F is minimum at x is equal to 4. F is minimum at x is equal to 4. Okay, now f minimum is equal to f of 4. F of 4, if I substitute here, okay, I will get this as 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17. So you get 16 minus 32 plus 17, that's equal to 1 only. You still get the same answer. Isn't it, guys? Just simplify that. You still get the same answer. But first method, 2 steps you will get the answer, right? The square of a number plus the square of x square minus 8x plus 17. Right? 17 as 16 plus 1 square, minimum value of square is 0. You get answer 1 only. Alright, now we have a problem on maxima and minima. Right, in board exam as also you get a 3 marker on maxima minima. One question will be there. The sum of two numbers is 12. That's already given that x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, from this I can write y is equal to 12 minus x, because maxima minima should be done in terms of one variable only. You cannot do in terms of two variables. So y is equal to 12 minus x. Now I can write f of x. Let's call equation 1. Okay, now I have f of x is equal to, I'm going to write this as x square plus y square. Okay, y a function of x, I will change y equal to x square plus y will be equal to 12 minus x the whole square. 12 minus x the whole square, this is equal to f of x. Right, now f dash of x is equal to, differentiation of x square is 2x. And differentiation of this will be equal to 2 into 12 minus x into differentiation of x will be equal to minus 1. F dash of x is equal to, okay, 2x minus 2 into 12 minus x. Minus 2 into 12 minus x. This is f dash of x. Right, after finding the first derivative, I'll equate to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. You will get this as 2x minus 2 into 12 minus x is equal to 0. I can also write this as 2x is equal to 2 into 12 minus x. Okay, let's cancel this 2 and 2. Minus x you shift on the left side. You get 2x is equal to 12. That is x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Yes, Raju, right? Very good. F double dash of x. Yes, Mahi, right? F double dash of x. X is equal to 6. So f double dash of x is equal to, you get 2 minus 2 into, okay, 0 minus 1. That's equal to 4 positive. F double dash of x is more than 0. So this means that f is minimum. Yes, Amok, right? F is minimum, okay, at x is equal to 6. Actually, x is equal to 6. That's enough to take the answer. Substitute in the option, substitute in equation 1, you get y equal to 6. X is 6, y is 6. So what's the minimum value? F minimum is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, that is equal to 6 square plus 6 square will be equal to 72. Okay, that's the first option. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 24. What's the minimum value of f of x is equal to 27 to the power of cos 2x and 81 to the power of sin 2x. Right? Any idea, guys, how do you connect this? Minimum value of 27 whole to the power of cos 2x and 81 to the power of sin 2x. Okay, I can write this as f of x is equal to Okay, f of x is equal to 3 cube whole to the power of cos 2x. Okay, 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of sin 2x. Okay, f of x is equal to, powers are multiplied, 3 to the power of 3 cos 2x. Okay, and then 3 to the power of 4 sin 2x. 4 sin 2x, f of x is equal to, okay, 3 to the power of, powers are added, 3 cos 2x, okay, plus 4 sin 2x. This is f of x. Okay, this is f of x. Yeah, correct, Abdullah, yes. F of x is equal to 3 to the power of cos 2x. Alright, now listen. See, this is standard result, right? Whenever you have, let me write here. Okay, guys, listen. Whenever you have f of x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. A cos x plus b sin x. Okay, what's the maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x? F maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x is root of a square plus b square. Am I right, guys? Okay, and minimum value of a cos x plus b sin x is minus root of a square plus b square. This is the minimum value. Okay, now you have f of x is equal to 3 cos 2x plus 4 sin 2x. 4 sin 2x, you compare these two. If I compare, maximum value will be equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square. Right, maximum value will be equal to 5. Right, and minimum value will be equal to minus root of a square plus b square, that is 3 square plus 4 square. Minimum value is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square, that's equal to minus 5. So maximum is 5, minimum is minus 5. But I'm supposed to find the minimum value only. Now f minimum is equal to 3 to the power of, what's the minimum value of 3 cos 2x plus 4 sin 2x? Will be equal to minus 5. Yes, Raju, right? 3 power minus 5. If I shift this to denominator, you get 1 by 3 power 5. Right, 3 power 5 is 243. Yeah, that's the first option only. So use that logic, guys. Maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x, minimum value of a sin x plus b cos x. Use that value and substitute. You get the first option. Yes, Amok, right? Let's move to the next question. Two curves cut orthogonally, right? At a point. Okay, what should be the value of a square? I have told you this before, right? Whenever you have two curves cutting each other orthogonally, tangents at the point of intersection should be at right angles. M1 into M2 should be equal to minus 1. Orthogonal or perpendicular meaning is same. Two curves cut each other orthogonally. M1 into M2 should be equal to minus 1. So I am going to use the same logic. Two curves cut at right angles. What should be the value of a square? So x equal to y square. Okay, let's call equation 1. X into y is equal to a cube. Let's call equation 2. Yes, Amo, correct. If I differentiate this, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Yes, Mahi, right, very good. Dy by dx, from this I can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. Okay, this will be m1. If I differentiate second curve, first differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first is equal to 0. And from this I can write dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. This is m2. It's already given in the question. it's orthogonal O, not A. Two curves cut each other orthogonally. Then m1 m2 m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. Right, so m1 is equal to 1 by 2y, m2 is equal to minus y upon x is equal to minus 1. Y and y cancels, minus will cancel. Okay, you will get x is equal to minus half. X is equal to plus half, minus will cancel, you get x is equal to 1 upon 2. You substitute in equation 1, you get y square is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so x is 1 by 2, y square itself is half. Now I have x into y is equal to a cube. Okay, if I square on both sides, you get x square into y square is equal to a to the power of 6, isn't it? I can x square is 1 by 2. If I square, you get 1 upon 4. Y square itself is 1 by 2. Okay, don't square once again. It's equal to a power 6. I can write a to the power of 6 is equal to 1 by 8. Yes, right. Yes, Raju, right. I can write this as a square whole to the power of 3 is equal to 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Both are same, right? So powers the same basis. If you equate, you get a square is equal to 1 upon 2. If you equate, you get a square as half. Answer will be option B. Isn't it, guys? You understand? So let me repeat that step here. I actually have a to the power of 6 is equal to 1 by 8. A power 6 is equal to 1 by 8. Right? I'm writing this as a square whole to the whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. So a square is equal to half. A square is equal to 1 upon 2. Alright, let's go to the next question. Question number 26. A particle moves along the curve. Y square is y is equal to x square plus 2x. Okay, let's call equation 1. The point on the curve such that x and y coordinate change at the same rate. So this means that dy, it's already given in the question. Okay, so it's given in the question that dy by dt is equal to dx by dt, isn't it, guys? The point x and y change at the same rate. So this means that dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. This will cancel. From this I can write dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, let me use this. So dy by dx is equal to 1. I am supposed to find the points on the curve. Now if I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to, differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay, differentiation of 2x is 2. dy by dx is 1. Just now we found out 2x plus 2. Okay, from this you can write 1 minus 2 is equal to 2x. You get x is equal to minus half. X is minus half. First coordinate, there's only one option. Answer is option C only. This is ruled out. This is ruled out. Even this is ruled out. Even if you want to find out the value of y, if I substitute in equation 1, if I put x is equal, yes, right, yeah. That's enough to take the answer. Even if I substitute in equation 1, you get y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay, this will cancel. You will get, square this, you get y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1. You get y is equal to minus 3 by 4. The point is minus 1 by 2, comma minus 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4. Answer is option C. Okay, let's do one more question, guys. Right, question number 27. The volume of a sphere is increasing at the rate of 4 pi cc per second. So rate of change of volume with respect to time will be equal to 4 pi cc, that is centimeter cube per second. So that's given in the question. Okay, now the rate at which the radius is increasing, I am supposed to find out what is dr by dt. Dr by dt when the volume is equal to 288 pi. Okay, that's what I am supposed to find out. Alright, note this step now. Volume is equal to 288 pi, that is given in the question. Okay, volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 288 pi. I'm going to cancel pi and pi. 4 will cancel with this 72 times. R cube is equal to 216. Okay, so I get R cube is equal to 6 cube because 6 cube is 216. R cube is equal to 6 cube. You will get R is equal to 6. Right, R is equal to 6. Now, I'm supposed to find out dr by dt, right? So, volume of a sphere volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now if I differentiate, I get dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi is a constant. Differentiation of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. Okay, I'm going to cancel 3 and 3. dv by dt is equal to 4 pi. You get 4 pi is equal to 4 pi, okay, into r square into dr by dt. Cancel this 4 pi and 4 pi. From this I can write dr by dt. Yes Raju, right? dr by dt is equal to 1 by r square. Okay, now dr by dt when radius is equal to 6, we found out that r is equal to 6 is 1 by 6 square. That's equal to 1 by 36. 1 by 36 centimeter per second. Yes guys, Mahi, Amog, Raju, yes, very good. Answer option C. So yes guys, before I wind up, alright, let me tell you once again about, we'll continue tomorrow guys, 11:30 tomorrow, 30, 31st, 2 days, 2 consecutive days. I have, you can watch the part 4 and part 5 of this session, this chapter, PYQs of AOD. Alright, before I wind up guys, alright, let me remind you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Best plans for 2021 aspirants. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. With this referral code, you get 10% discount. Okay, that's my referral code, you get 10% discount. 6 months 10125, that is 1688 per month. And per month 2250. You get all this guys. Premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, that is daily practice paper, full and mock, etc. with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. And below the description box guys, there's a link there. You can use that link to attend my classes, special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, where I do all the PYQs in detail guys, and solve the previous year CET papers as well. Alright, please watch, like and share my video guys. Thanks for joining me. So we'll meet up tomorrow guys, 11:30 in the morning. Alright, God bless you. Alright, have a good day guys and prepare well. Yeah, take care guys. So we'll meet up tomorrow 11:30 in the 11:30 a.m. Alright, take care guys. God bless you. Bye.